Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this professional stud finder with 9 sensors for the highest accuracy detects of wood. Alright, so this is a nice stud finder. It has 9 sensors and 15 enhanced precision LEDs. This is a conventional stud finder to help you find your stud in your house. So I did purchase this because I want to hang up some picture frames and a TV, and I wanted to make sure that I'm actually getting this stud so you can see how well this works. It lights up. So once we find a stud, it should light up and it'll tell you exactly where it's at. So there's these little lightning bolts on the side that basically just says that there is a power line somewhere close. So you can see right here I'm on the edge and it's getting exactly where the stud is. So this one here is never a miss, it's always a hit. So when I just go and run down my wall, you can see where it actually shows the stud. So once we're going right there, it'll show right there it is. So this is a super nice stud finder. It is really lightweight. It helps you find your studs. It is never a miss. It's always a hit. I would highly recommend if you're looking for a nice stud finder, this one here is a nice one. It catches your stud every time. The only thing I'd say is you make sure you have good batteries in this, because if you use batteries that are dead or not as good, you might have a problem with false stud finding, but I would highly recommend checking out this stud finder.